Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a tutorial on Ecwid Dropshipping. In this video we will talk about Ecwid, its features, the different membership plans, the sign up process and account setup process, and we will also do a complete walkthrough of the interface. We will also show you how to create your free website and how to add products to it. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Ecwid is an e-commerce widget that can seamlessly integrate with any platform you already use to promote your business, whether it's a business website, a marketplace, or an app. Ecwid provides everything you need to sell online. It gives you the power to easily sell anywhere to anyone across the internet and around the world. Control everything from a single platform with centralized inventory, order management, and pricing. It doesn't get any simpler than this. If you click the Sell tab, at the top navigation bar, you will find all the places and marketplaces where you can sell using Ecwid. You can sell with Ecwid on your website, on Instagram, on TikTok, Facebook, Google, Amazon, POS, and Shop app. If you click the Market tab, you will find the places where you can market and promote your business. Ecwid supports Google Ads, Facebook ads, email newsletters, marketing apps. And lastly, if you click the Manage tab, you can see that Ecwid supports mobile, app market, discount shipping, light speed payments, and customization service. Now let's see the pricing and different membership plans. Click the Pricing tab. Ecwid has 4 membership plans. First is the free plan, in which you will get an online store to launch your business for free. The second type of plan is the Venture plan, which is at $19 per month. But if you subscribe annually, you get a 25% discount and you only need to pay $14.08 per month. The third is the business plan, which is at $39 per month, but by subscribing annually, you again get a 25% discount and you need to pay only $29.08 per month. And the fourth and the last plan is the unlimited plan, which is at $99 per month, but if you subscribe annually, you can get this plan at $82.5 per month by getting a 25% discount. We're going ahead with the free plan. So click the Create a Store button. This is the sign up page. But if you already have an Ecwid account, then use this login button. Or else from here you can easily sign up with your Apple, Facebook or Google account. We are signing up using the email option. So here enter your full name, then here enter your email address and then create a password. And lastly, click the Next button. Next, you need to complete the registration in 4 easy steps. All these steps are mandatory, hence we are continuing with them. This is the first step. Here enter your store's name as you want it to appear to your customers. You can change this name at any time later. If the store name is available, then you will see the green tick icon here. Now select your country from the drop-down menu here, and then here select your currency, and then click the Next button. This is the second step where you need to add your company's address. This address is required to get you ready for receiving payments and setting up delivery. Here enter the address where your company and store are located. If you don't have a company address yet, please enter the address from where you will be shipping your orders. After entering the address, click the Next button. This is the third step where you will be asked some questions about yourself. The first question will be, do you already have experience selling online? In the drop-down menu, there are options like I am just getting started, I am selling but not online yet, I am selling online with a different system, and I am just looking around. Select the option that suits you. The second question will be, what type of products will you be selling? In the drop-down menu, you will have almost all the categories present. Choose any one that best suits your store. And the third and the last question will be, are you setting up a store for someone else? You can select between yes or no from the drop-down. And once you've responded to all these questions, then click the next button. This is the fourth and the last step. And here you will be asked, do you already have a website? In the drop-down menu, you can choose between yes or no. If you're selecting yes, then from this drop-down menu, you need to choose your website platform. The options here are WordPress, Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, Joomla, Blogger or Blog Post, Drupal, Custom Build Site, Other, and I'm not sure. On the other hand, if you're selecting the no option, then Ecwid will provide you a free website for your store. Here choose a web address name that represents your business, and that is easy to remember. You can change this address and use your own domain name later. After selecting the address, click the next button. Now on the next page, you will be asked to select your plan. You can choose any of these 3 paid membership plans according to your requirement, or you can also choose the free plan. We are going ahead with it, so click the Create a Store button and you will be taken to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. Now let's do a complete walkthrough of the interface. In the left sidebar, there are 3 sections which are Store Management, Sales Channels, and Configuration. Under Store Management, you can access Dashboard, My Sales, Catalog, Marketing, and Reports. Under Sales Channels, there are tabs for Overview, Website, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Mobile, and other channels. And lastly, under the Configuration tab, you can access Design, Payment, Shipping and Pickup, Settings, and Apps. Now let's have a look at our Ecwid store. Click the Website tab under Sales Channels in the left sidebar. On this page here, you can find your store's URL. You can visit it by just clicking it. And if you want to make any changes in your website design, then click this Edit Site button. This is the website editor page. From here, you can change the theme of your website. Below, you will see the site sections from where you can make changes in your website. The site sections are Headline and Cover Image, Story, Company's Mission, Customer Testimonials, About, Location, and Contact Information. And from here, you can arrange the order of these sections. Take your time to edit the website according to your preferences and requirements. And once you're satisfied with your design, then click this Save button and the changes will get applied to your website. Now let's demonstrate to you how you can add products to your website. To do so, click the Catalog tab in the left sidebar. This is the Products page where you will find all the products available on your website. To add a new product, click the Add New Product button. And on this page, fill out all the required fields, including the name, description, image, price, and other details, and then click the Add New Product button, and it will be added to your website. With this, we have completed our tutorial on Ecwid Dropshipping. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it and you've benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or you want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.